Hi viewers, welcome to BSV Voice. Yeah, please subscribe, share and like the video, and you write your comments also in the comment box. That will be really helpful for me. If it is waste, you write waste. If it is good, you write it good. Today I am coming to the topic, the nature, human nature and the nature of nature. So these are there indeed. The human nature is being derived from the nature indeed. So how this nature is really reflecting in human nature. All emotions are there. Of course, I'm not going to talk about emotions now. Human nature is that human nature and human mind always expect something from the people, the opposite person. So when that human nature expects something from other person, just you have to think that here, why you are expecting? Only one thing, why you are expecting that? What for you are expecting that? How you are related to the person? Whether you are intimate person, whether just you are acquaintance of anyone, whether you are a neighbor, whether you are a colleague, what you are indeed, why you are expecting from the person. So when this kind of nature is there, you cannot get hurt. When, for example, you are expecting from a stranger something else, definitely when I go there, definitely they receive well and I'll be fine, I'm great, I'm so and so, something like that. So they definitely receive me well. When you expect like this, when you are going to the stranger, to a marriage party, to a reception, to any other party, where you are just only acquaintance to them, then how could you expect that they're receiving? It's not possible. So that human nature expects more than what he deserves, what she deserves. So when you analyze that human nature of the opposite person, where you are going to expect something from the person, then you understand, okay, the person is very stranger to me, very new to me. So that I should not expect anything from the people, just I am a guest, I am an invitee to the person, right? When you are an invitee, you should not expect much. That will give you very good boosting for you, because expecting and hurting gives you somewhat imbalance of your hormones. So that always be neutral to receive anything, whatever happens in your life. So take life as it comes. That is the first important thing to be noted to everyone. Take life as it comes. Life actually teaches us many things. Even parents don't teach us many, and same time friends also may not teach us. Of course, teachers also may not teach us, but these days even we don't listen to the teachers also. But life teaches us many things. So that here, don't expect anything from any person to be like this, because every person can't be like you. Every person can't be like somebody else. Even at the age of Mahatma Gandhi also, at the age of Vivekananda also, at the age of Hitler also, of course, their friends also were there, but everybody could not become Mahatma Gandhi, everybody could not become Vivekananda, not become Hitler. Why it happened there? Because the thoughts were totally different. The friends, what they thought was different, and Vivekananda thoughts were different. Mahatma Gandhi thoughts were different. Hitler thoughts were different. That's why even they had friends, all friends could not be like them. If you come to the our megastar Chiranjeevi also, when he had many friends, but all could not become megastars. We know that Sudhakar was a comedian, and other friends were Prasad and some other people who were there in the cinema industry, but could not be like that. What happened to them? It won't happen, because human mind, human nature is totally different from other. That's what we should not expect like somebody else. We must be like this. It's not possible, because only one thing I can tell you, be the same, because they don't come from the same places. They don't come from the same places. But when you think that they don't come from the same places, definitely you will be happy that when you are expecting something, you have to analyze that here. From where I have come from. For example, let us see today engineering college scenarios. People with heterogeneous background, total heterogeneous background are there. When heterogeneous background is there, how could you expect everyone should speak like you or somebody else? Some people come from the ICSE syllabus background, English medium, and CBSE syllabus background, and state syllabus background. In that private colleges, like corporate colleges, students also will be there. At same time, if we take some district students will be there, and how you are going to expect from the people that? So it's not possible. So what you think, definitely you have to take care of it, because if you compare with the right ICSE standards like Oak Ridge or some other international schools, students when they come to one engineering college from different backgrounds, you can't expect your English as the international schools students who are there in different right backgrounds. And what's our family background? What's our social background also important? Social background means today the casteism and all these are there. So from which caste you have come from, how you have to move forward. This is important, because everything cannot be like a dining table. So life is not a dining table. We have to cook and we have to dine ourselves and eat. This situation today, the society is totally right complex. Society is totally complex. So in this complex society, how you are going to get the things done in your favor, that's important. For that, what you are doing, that is important. How you are maintaining your relations are important. That means nature. I'm coming to the human nature. That's what. I'm not going to say anything emotions here. How you are maintaining your relations with the people also important. Even sometimes you are rejected by the people, but you have to be very close to them, very friendly to them. Because today the society needs only the good relations with the people than your talent and education. Talent and education has become secondary today, and your relations and your talks and your rapport with the people have become first today. At the same time, social background, as I told you, that social background, family background, your schooling, your complete right nature, and your friend circle. So that's important. Selecting friends also very important. So people say that here. If you say who is your friend, I can say what you are. If you say who is your friend, I can say what you are. Means the same kind of mindset people definitely will be good friends. That is one quote, but it will not work out today. When different mindset people also will be there when you are working somewhere, when you are studying somewhere, you have to cope up with them. Even different kind of people also there, you have to cope up with them, you have to work with them, you have to move with them, you have to talk to them, you have to work with them. So these are all very important. So that human nature is not that by birth which comes to you. Human nature can be transformed. You have to transform yourself. How that requires to the society today. Otherwise you will be outdated. You will not be taken care by anyone. So that you have to move according to the requirements the people expect from you. That's what. Don't expect from the people, but you have to change yourself according to the people's expectations, so that you will be happy. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it. Definitely I'll come with the other topics. At the same time, you are going to watch Telugu also, right, and English. Telugu and English will be there on BSP Voice. Telugu is for the Telugu viewers. So some of the viewers told me that they would like to watch my videos in Telugu also, so that I am making the Telugu videos too. So you can see the Telugu at the same time English too. Thank you so much for being with me. BSP Voice.